Hey YouTube, it'll be a quick video hopefully here. I'm going to try to single pin pick this cheap Chinese round storage locker lock here. I actually raked this off of a trailer in the field and then I made some keys to the side door for them. We're going to try to pick it though with a Chinese Z-bar and from one of the Chinese locksmithing kits or lock picking kits and a beat up Peterson hook here. Trying to get back into single pin picking a little bit here because I kind of not been doing it much the last several years. Don't really do it working, so if I'm working, I'm either using leashes or I'm raking them open. Don't really ever single pin pick on an actual job, but it is fun to pick locks. And look at that, I already got it. So I guess maybe this lock's really easy, or maybe my skills haven't diminished as much as I thought they had. So anyway, all we got for this one. Till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.